Hello YouTubers, this is my latest project. I'm just finishing up. I got this Weber Master Touch that I bought from a guy from the marketplace. So I'm retrofitting it to this table, which is 2 feet by 6 feet. And then I have a cooler here. I have to buy the hinge, you know. So there you go. Okay, so I still need to install the hitch, so at the back. Okay, and so I got the wheels from the old cooler. So like I said, this is measures 2 feet by 6 feet. So I am also thinking of putting up a small sink. So like uh, there are sinks that are like 6 inches so wide and then 8 inches long. So probably this is the best spot. So I've been cleaning this Weber. So some of the parts are down there. I'm soaking the grate. So this is ready clean this, and some of them are still cleaning. So I could do another cleanup. And this cover is not like aligned, and this handle was at the bottom. So see, so I move it on top because I'm planning to put up a hinge at the back. So I'm still gonna buy that from Amazon. So watch out for the final video or next video of this cooler plus grill cart. Alright, so I'll put some of the links in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.